Hi friends, I am Ali. Today here again with a new video. In this video I am going to teach you regarding the addition of matrix. This is an important program used for the beginners, and in this video you are going to have the concept of how to have the addition of matrix in Python, and it will be very useful for you, and I will be teaching you the basic technique in this. So starting with the Python, which is our IDE, I have here imported the math library since I am going to do the mathematical work here. So I have imported a math library here. Now I am going to take a matrix here. For our easiness, I am going to have a matrix in the form. Now this is a type of list which is a data type of Python, and I will tell you about all in my later videos, but in this video I am going to have a type of matrix here, and in it I have written 3 4 5 comma again, and then I will write 6 7 8, now having a comma here, and then I will again have a list inside in which I will write 9 comma 10 comma 11. Now this is a 3 by 3 matrix. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. Now I am going to have my second matrix. I will copy it and then will be pasting it. Now I will change the number here. I will write 5. You can write any of the number, 5 7 9. Here I will write 10, and then I will write 4, and then I will write 2, and similarly I will change all of those mentioned here earlier, and then I am going to have 15 here. Now since it is a basic video, so here I know the result of the matrix form, in which since I am adding 3 by 3 matrix, since A is 3 by 3 and B is 3 by 3, so we all know the automatically generated answer will be in the form of 3 by 3 matrix. So I am assuming a matrix C here in which our answer will be stored, and since I know it will be 3 by 3, so I will have 3 rows and 3 columns having 0 all in them. So I will write in the similar form, but here I will mention 0, and then comma again list 0 comma 0 comma 0, and then whatever the addition answer will be after A and B, all of them will be stored in the C matrix, and we know the form that it will be of 3 by 3. Now similarly I am taking 2 for loop here. This is the coding for I in range. Now similarly, which I told you in the pattern coding, that we will take 2 loops, one for the row and one for the column. Our outer loop is for the row, in which I will take for I in range length, and then A, which is our matrix. It will tell the length of our rows of A matrix. Then inside this loop I will tell for I in range. Now I will want to have the length of column, so I will write length, and then in the parentheses I will write A, and one different thing from my above line, that is again a list in which I will put 0 in it. This is the difference, so it will count the column here, but here I have to change J in the variable. Now I have taken 2 loops here. Now I want to have the C matrix, so I will write C, then I will write I and J, then equal to A, I and J, which are the loops running, and then B, I and J here. This is the format I want to have. Then I would like to write the print statement here, and I want to print each and every element while running the loop. So I will write in the form print C, then I, and then J, but sorry, in the brackets J. And now since I want to have gap between them, so I will write and is equal to double quotation, and inside it is a backslash T. And now after coming out of the loop, when one row is ended, then for given turn to the next row I will write the print statement here. this is my coding. Now I am going to run this code in front of you and you will see the result. Here you have the result that it has printed the matrix C. And how it works is, you have seen the 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. It means the answer is correct. First of all, the range of row will come into play and then it will go to the column loop, and then the resulted matrix will be of 3 by 3, since we have taken an easy example in this video, because I wanted to have firstly the concept of adding matrix addition for the beginners. So this was all from my today's video. Hope you have liked this video. I will come up again with more matrix video in which I will be go in depth of how each and every step is executing in this code. So this is all for now. I will come up with again the next video. Like and share my video, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon now, and my channel is Tech Park. Thank you. This is all from Sir Ali.